This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe Zerillo. Spectacular top floor never occupied corner unit in Clock Tower Pointe of Harwood Heights. This luxury 2 full bath features a gorgeous kitchen with granite countertops, stone backsplash, with high-end stainless steel appliances. Full master suite with sink granite countertops and jet-style tub. Stylish French doors on the second bedroom with walk-in closet. High-end Minka Air lighting package including ceiling fans. In-unit wash and dry. 1 indoor heated parking space and storage unit. Unit has dry-walled ceilings. Solid oak cabinets and trim along with crown molding and 6-panel doors, hardwood floors throughout. Huge balcony with rare southeast exposure. Assessments include heat, water, and Uverse U300 package with premium channels, internet and phone service with unlimited calling in the U.S. elevator building with workout facility. Property includes all the furniture. Maine South School Dist. This unit will not last long. Don't take my word for it, come see it yourself. For more information,